Greetings, Salesforce navigators. Welcome to CRM Chronicles by Careerya, the podcast where we embark on a journey through the heart of Salesforce, unraveling the intricacies of accounts, contacts, and the dynamic relationships that bind them together. I'm your host, Careerya, and today, we're delving deep into the cosmos of customer data. Get ready for real-world examples, implementation insights, interview-ready knowledge, and a quiz to test your Salesforce navigation skills. Podcast episode, Navigating the Salesforce Universe, Mastering Accounts, Contacts, and Their Dynamic Relationships. Let's commence our exploration by understanding the foundational elements, accounts, and contacts. Segment 1, Navigating the Cosmos Accounts and Contacts in Salesforce. In the Salesforce universe, accounts are like galaxies, representing the entities with which your business engages. Contacts, on the other hand, are the individual stars within those galaxies, representing the people you interact with. Example 1. Picture managing a B2B scenario. An account could be a company, like XYZ Corp., and contacts would be individuals within that company, such as John Doe and Jane Smith. Implementation insights. To implement accounts and contacts, navigate to the Salesforce setup, choose objects and fields, and create custom fields as needed. Establish relationships by using lookup or master detail relationships between the account and contact objects. Next. Now, let's explore the gravitational forces that bind accounts and contacts together. Segment 2, Dynamic Relationships, Understanding the bonds between accounts and contacts. The relationships between accounts and contacts are like gravitational forces, connecting the dots in your Salesforce cosmos. Understanding these relationships is key to effective customer management. Example 2. Imagine a scenario where ABC Incorporated is a parent account, and it has subsidiaries represented as child accounts. Contacts associated with each subsidiary are seamlessly linked, providing a holistic view of the entire business network. Implementation insights. To implement relationships, use Salesforce's native functionality. Establish parent-child relationships between accounts, allowing for easy navigation and reporting on the hierarchy. Next. Moving on, let's explore the interview-worthy aspects of mastering accounts and contacts. Interview insights, Salesforce navigation questions. Question 1. How do you distinguish between a business account and a personal contact in Salesforce? Answer 1. In Salesforce, accounts typically represent companies or organizations, while contacts represent individual people. Accounts are the central entities, and contacts are associated with those accounts. Question 2. Can you explain the significance of the relationship between accounts and contacts in Salesforce? Answer 2. The relationship between accounts and contacts is crucial for understanding the network of individuals within organizations. It allows for effective tracking of interactions and streamlined communication. Next. Now, let's challenge your Salesforce navigation skills with a quiz. Quiz, test your Salesforce navigation skills. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of accounts in Salesforce? Listen for an answer. Answer 1. In Salesforce, accounts represent companies, organizations, or entities with which your business interacts. Question 2. How can you establish a relationship between an account and a contact in Salesforce? Listen for an answer. Answer 2. You can establish a relationship by associating contacts with an account using Salesforce's native lookup or master detail relationship functionality. There you have it, a voyage through the Salesforce universe, exploring the realms of accounts, contacts, and their dynamic relationships. If you found this episode enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow navigators, and subscribe to Careerya for more Salesforce Chronicles.